Kabaka Pyramid and the Bubble Rockers at the legendary SOBs.
What if lyrics, deep conscious messages.
Alexander Yes, 5th annual fundraiser, Black Tie Affair at Panache Restaurant and Eurosol Lounge.
In Rosedale, Queens, we're excited to have this program.
Barbecue jerk baby lamb chops with spinach and tortellini with celebrity chef Patrick Simpson on this week's
tortellini, spinach, and some Confederate tomato.
Gates of Edgehill International Tour event in New York City.
To grab hold of a piece of that land which is rightfully yours.
You're watching Come Chat With Me, a Caribbean lifestyle magazine, and I'm your host, Ziggie Bless. International reggae star Kabaka Pyramid returns to New York City for his first and last performance in New York City for 2018. Kabaka Pyramid is a multi-talented artist and producer coming straight from the streets of Kingston, Jamaica, with a unique musical style blending the lyricism of hip-hop with the energy and melody of reggae and dancehall. He's based out of the Baby Rock Music Camp, and through his liquid and hypnotizing delivery spreads the positive messages of spirituality and conscious evolution.
Bless your love, this is Kabaka Pyramid, representing Baby Rock Music.
We're here at SUPs and you just rock the stage. Tell us how you're feeling.
Feeling great, everything up full, nice turnout, nice energy from the crowd. Perform some new songs off of the album and great reception, so we love the vibe.
Let me see some of you on SOBs. Show up your one, if you don't love reggae music. Show up your one, if you don't love dancehall. Show up your one, if you don't love roots and culture. We see some so you know we can't stall.
What if lyrics, deep conscious messages, that's really the foundation of my music, and just, different styles, versatility, great features. I have like Damian Marley on the album, Chronix, Protege, Pressure Bus by Akon, Olipa, Stone Boy out of Ghana, bless the album as well. Olipa vibes and energy.
Never gonna be a slave, I'm never gonna be a slave. Nobody worry when the youth say my follow we. We not stick around for boost them economy. That's how them cause school is a policy. And all the teachers them are use like.
Don't know, we've been releasing music from 2011, and we've had, releases like Contraband, reaching the #1 on the iTunes Reggae chart, #3 on the Billboard chart. Things like that, Lead the Way was a successful project for us as well. I've been touring since 2012, and we can bring like 10-15 people on the road with us at times when we're touring too, so that is an achievement in and of itself. Bringing musicians from Jamaica on the road and contributing to the culture, so we don't really look at the achievements like that still, we're just there for make the music and experience the love from the people. But we perform at big reggae festivals and things around the world. So.
I've been working, you know that feeling? Tell your time to shine. Watch out now. Everybody need a little motivation, but when you feel like you're stuck in your situation, put in the work, no matter with procrastination. If we do that, you won't hear me on your station.
I just want people to know, just check out the music, check out the album Contraband. I'm a serious person. I'm somebody that involved in the community as well as with music, and we're there to make a real change in the planet.
You can't spell butter that them a way under. You can't tell them on the friend from woman. And the people them a swell. The food that give me cancer. New York we tell them all the benefits of ganja. Them not like the smell, so we don't make no sponsor. From a cigarette companies them running rampant. The money now flow, the little bits are stagnant. You have been strong like Junior and Flat Man, but you don't breathe. In a this a suffocation. The people living in a suffocation, but you don't breathe.
The Alexander Youth Etiquette for Success, yes. Named after Alexander Heard, the father of Annette Heard Runcie, co-owner and operator of Panache Restaurant and Lounge, is a non-profit that aims to empower youth within the urban community. The mission of Alexander Youth Etiquette Success is to promote the development of young people in achieving their physical, intellectual, and social potential. They do this by providing social and professional etiquette programs that will better prepare youth for their career aspirations and to become a positive influence within their community.
We are here tonight celebrating those kids that are able to actually move up to our 10th grade curriculum. Yes, Alexander Youth Etiquette for Success was surely a success. And so we're here tonight to celebrate, not only to celebrate Panache's anniversary, but to also celebrate the youth in our community, because of course they are our future.
Hi, I'm Shanice, this is Sarah, this is Caitlin, and we are the representatives for the Alexander Youth Program, and we are here at the lovely Panache having such an amazing evening. And today we're going to be portraying our different skills such as music, we're going to be dancing, we're going to be reading poetry, and we're having such an amazing time. Thank you for having us.
Watch out, girl.
Hi, my name is Caitlin. I've been with the Alexander Yes program from last year, and this is my second year here. I'm at the gala right now, so I'm glad that I'm here because it helps me get scholarships for college, and I'm a dance major in high school, so it gets me to get dance scholarships for college and makes me do what I love.
I'm here today to celebrate the 5th anniversary of Panache, a restaurant that I truly adore. And of course, I'm here to celebrate the Alexander Yes Foundation, a foundation that does so much for children, especially children in the urban area. And I'm here to support all of the endeavors of this organization.
I'm proud to be here at Panache at their 5th anniversary, and I look forward to continuing to work with Panache and their Alexander Scholarship Program as they continue to work with young people throughout the community to provide opportunities and benefits.
I am here as a member of AYES, and my name is Zolani Henry. My mother did my makeup. She's a wonderful person. That's why my eyelashes are so beautiful.
I have some pieces of artwork right here this evening. Part of the proceed will go towards the organization Yes.
How you doing? I'm the Dr. Bob Lee from 107.5 WBLS and Bob Lee Enterprises and the Make the Grade Foundation for Education. Heard about this wonderful restaurant, and I heard about this fantastic organization, the Alexander Yes organization. It's a wonderful charity. I've been talking about it on the radio, and this is how many people teach etiquette. You know, forks to the left, a guy goes before the girl while going through a revolving door, and all those things that a youngster or young people need to know, you know. And it's a beautiful thing, and I'm glad that we have an organization that's teaching it.
Now, Alexander Yes is about educating and helping our youth, giving them leadership skills, how to go forward. They are our future.
Don't let anything hold you back. Don't let anybody say that you can't do what you want to do. It's all up to you. If you say you can, guess what? Either way, if you say you can't or you can't, either way, you're right.
We're live here in Rosedale, Queens. We're excited to have this program for our kids in 9th grade. We provide social and professional etiquette. We help them all the way through high school, so by the time they graduate, they know what career they want.
All right, how do people get involved?
How they get involved, we would welcome folks to take a look at our site, www.alexanderyes.org, to find more information. We're looking for volunteers. We're looking for folks to donate to our cause.
Who are we?
We are Alexander Yes Foundation.
Who are we?
We are the Alexander Yes Foundation.
And we're in Rosedale?
We're in Rosedale.
on 107.5
This week I have something in store for you guys. You're gonna be in for a treat. As you know already, I'm always gonna do something totally different. And which part you there? In the kitchen. For this episode, I'm gonna be doing a barbecue jerk baby lamb chop, and I'm gonna be serving it with some spinach and tortellini. You don't wanna miss this. Keep it locked, don't go nowhere. In the kitchen. I'm gonna be doing a jerk baby lamb chop, and as you know already, I'm gonna be using my favorite brand that I always love to use, Walker's Wood. I'm going for the hot and spicy because that's what I love. And then we're gonna be using also the jerk barbecue from Walker's Wood, and I'm gonna be using the jerk marinade. Here we have our nice lamb chops, nice lollipop, nice and clean. I'm gonna take this bad boy off, put him down. I'm gonna make some nice little cuts through it. And as I say, I'm gonna marinate this, so I'm gonna put it inside of a bowl because I'm gonna pour the marinade over it. And this, at this point, this is where you'd probably put this inside the bowl to marinate, put a plastic wrap over him, keep him real good, looking real good, make him nice and level. Then I'm gonna go for my marinade. Pour over your meat and let him marinate just like that. And as you can see, this have a very rich flavor to it. Very rich. If you don't want it to marinate too strong, what you can also do, you can add a little bit of water, not too much, just a little bit of water, and leave him just like that in your refrigerator. You can just imagine how flavorful this look and how flavorful this is gonna taste. Listen, just look at that. Look how pretty that looks. A little bit of pepper, not too much. And I'm gonna go for a little bit of Old Bay seasoning, not too much, because as you know already, I like my food very flavorful. I'm all about flavor and memorable taste. I'm gonna go for a little bit of salt. Nothing too crazy, because you know you have to watch your salt intake. Can't go too much, make him look real nice. All right. And I'm gonna go for a little bit of clarified butter over him. So whenever I put it inside, it's real good and it's not gonna stick. I don't want to put too much because I don't want it to be too spicy. You massage him in real good, flip him over, make him look real good. And if you don't have a grill outside, you don't have to do it on a grill. You can do it on a skillet, real easy, inside your kitchen in your home, because you're gonna get the same flavor. So I'm gonna put a little bit of pepper flakes inside, give up the oil, see that? That's what I'm talking about. Looking real good. I don't want it to cook too much because I want it to have a nice little bite to it. I don't want it to be too overdone. The sauce is gonna be made with a little bit of mango salsa, so it's gonna have a mango flavor to the sauce, and that's kind of what I'm shooting for. I'm shooting for that nice mango tropical flavor, so that's what I want to get. Here comes the lamb chop again, and I'm putting that bad boy right inside. Beautiful. Looking real good. I'm gonna add a little bit of bourbon to it. You can't go wrong with a little bit of bourbon. Beautiful. That's what I want to see. I'm all about presentation. I love that. People eat with their eyes. I always say that, people eat with their eyes. If they see something that looks good, they definitely want to try it. And here we go, tortellini, some Confederate tomato and spinach right on the side. Something different. Something different, guys, and this is how we do it, in the kitchen. In the kitchen, the only show right now on TV that is anywhere close to doing this. This is the only place you can get this. CIM in the kitchen. Nice little bit of gravy right on the side. All right, guys, you see that? We did this together. See how simple it was? I know you're saying, yes, chef, it was simpler for you, but it's not. But trust me, if you follow all the little steps I just did, you're gonna end up with just the same presentation, same flavor, same taste. Make sure, grab your Walker's Wood. But listen, jerk baby lamb chop. Barbecue, jerk baby lamb chop with a saute tortellini, spinach, and some Confederate tomato. So you know what we do. In the kitchen this week, you know already, get yourself a glass of lemonade, and you're good to go. As a matter of fact, get a nice cold red stripe beer, you're good to go. In the kitchen. See you next week.
The Gates of Edgehill International Tour It's New York. 108 beautiful mid-luxury homes for sale. A great investment opportunity to add value to Jamaica's real estate market. But also perfect for anybody who's looking to spend time in Jamaica during their retirement. New York, one of 3 international stops for the Gates of Edgehill stunning investment property showcase for Jamaican resort-style living. Featuring famed Akidad, Carl Subban, and hosted by the Caribbean King of Comedy, Oliver Samuels, was held at the historic Anthems of Queens Village, known for its beautiful facilities and high-quality event planning and event catering services. The Gates of Edgehill is a mid-luxury housing development designed to give the Jamaican diaspora community a way to come back home in style. Whether as a permanent home or a vacation home, the Gates of Edgehill presents a wonderful opportunity to enjoy life to the fullest while giving back to the community of St. Mary.
All Kingstonians in the house tonight. You are here, I am sure, because you want to experience some good country living at the Gates of Edgehill. That's the only place right now you can come for real, lovely, luxurious living at affordable cost.
These developers, right, have built some exciting, wonderful houses in Jamaica, in my parish, St. Mary. And let me tell you something now, Jamaica is on the verge of being the place to be. That piece of rock, if us as a people, as sons and daughters, and friends of sons and daughters of Jamaica, don't try and own a little piece, right? Well, them a miss a wonderful opportunity. And, you know, I am recommending that all Jamaicans outside and them friends try hold on to a piece of the rock.
I think it's important, you know, to try to get, I guess, Jamaican nationals to come back home to buy property in Jamaica.
Well, something that I've noticed personally is that Jamaicans are extremely patriotic, extremely loyal, and it's owning their piece of the rock. And with that, the owner of the development is truly passionate about Jamaica. He's been traveling to Jamaica for over 30 years. He believes in its culture and he wanted to be able to be a part of it. He's a true believer in community and wanting to establish a real sense of community in Mango Valley at the Gates of Edgehill. And that's his legacy that he'd like to live. And through that, he believes in the future of Jamaica as through its children, and that's where the Boscoville Infant School comes, is educating children.
John Pro and by extension the government is keen to increase the mix of accommodation for both residential and the vacation sectors. You who are here this evening should consider this as a passive way of investing in Jamaica with the opportunity to realize real return.
We have what we call Edgehill Homes is affordable luxury. So it's affordable luxury in a resort style community.
And this is in St. Mary?
It's in St. Mary, so it's about 10, maximum 15 minutes outside of Ocherius. It is kind of just before you get to Boscobel.
Okay.
Right, and it's slightly up on the hill, so you get a good view of the ocean when you're up there, yeah.
You know, over the last 7 years, over 20 million visitors have come to Jamaica to enjoy our beautiful island, our wonderful cuisine, our warm, friendly people, and all the beauty that the destination has to offer. Our high repeat visitor rate goes to show you the guest satisfaction when our visitors come to our beautiful destination. And so this is a great opportunity to invite you to actually own a piece of that rock.
I'm 60 years old, I'm ready to go back to Jamaica, and I'm ready to give back. So I went back, visited the site, and I saw it. What did I see? I saw the site, I saw the model homes. Okay, I fell in love with Diana and Elizabeth. Okay, the two models, they're great. Okay, I saw the school. I saw the school, that's a big part of the community. I want to give back. By purchasing a home in that community, you're helping to shape the future of Jamaica.
Oh, we did it. Yes. What's the inspiration behind this book?
Well, you know, I landed in Canada at 12 years old, and I fell in love with ice hockey. And Jamaicans know hockey, okay? You know, hockey grows in trees in Jamaica. Hockey grows on ice in Canada. You know, in Jamaica we eat it, in Canada we play it. But you know, 3 of my sons were drafted and signed by National Hockey League teams in Canada, and it's also in the United States. My youngest son plays for the Toronto Maple Leafs, is signed with them. My second son plays with the Las Vegas Golden Knights of the NHL, and my eldest son plays for the Nashville Predators of the NHL, PK Subban. So people want to know, because we don't look like the average hockey fan or family. They want to know about how we did it.
Here is a great opportunity for you to grab hold of a piece of that land which is rightfully yours. So, I can't tell you no more. I try to convince you to come here and tell you something. When you come to the next 5 years, we're not going to say, Lord, it's me here. All of us say, no, I'm going to sit up pretty. You talk about the Airbnb. Opportunity right there in the gates of Edgehill.
Thanks for watching Come Chat With Me. See you next week.
Jamaica is a nice place to live. We have everything, the sunshine, the rivers, and the good Ray and Nephew rum.
Simply Kills.
Come chat with me.